In this video, you will learn how to make a Booksy business account, sign up for Booksy Business, visit the Booksy Biz website and click on Start a Free Trial to begin the registration process. Enter your business information, provide your business name, location, contact details to set up your profile, customize your profile, upload a cover photo, logo and write a compelling business description to attract new clients. Set up services and pricing, define the service that you offer, set prices and categorize them appropriately. Configure your calendar, set your work hours, add breaks and adjust booking rules to manage appointment setting effectively. Add staff members if applicable. If you have a team, add a staff profiles and their roles and availability. Enable online bookings, activate online booking options and integrate with platforms such as Facebook, Google, Instagram and more to reach new clients. Share your profile link. Distribute your Booksy profile link via social media, email or QR codes to encourage people to book. Now you know how to make a Booksy business account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.